सर्वमङ्गलमाङ्गल्ये शिवे सर्वार्धसाधिके शरण्ये त्र्यम्बिके देवी महालक्ष्मी नारायणी नमोऽस्तुते। ॐ श्वेताम्बरधरे देवी नानालङ्कारभूषिते जगस्थिते जगन्मातः श्रीमहालक्ष्मी नमोऽस्तुते। Embodiment of Divine Souls, Amma's most beloved sweet children. Today, the divine festival, Varamahalakshmi Festival Day, very auspicious day. We need Kalasam to invoke Mahalakshmi Devi in the Kalasam, or if we have Sri Chakram, we have to do the puja in Sri Chakram. How Mahalakshmi dwells in the Vaikuntham with her gloriful form. Mahalakshmi Devi was seated in a beautiful natural golden lotus, and both sides 8 elephants, white color 8 elephants with the golden parts, they hold the nectar. The 8 elephants want to wash the feet of Mahalakshmi. Deva, Gandharva, Yaksha, Kinnera, Kimpurusha, Siddha, Sabdya, innumerable ganas, all of these Rishi, Muni, Tapodhanas, everybody was waiting for Mahalakshmi darshan. Mahalakshmi namostute, Mahalakshmi namostute. Mahalakshmi Devi, very, very soft nature. No Rajasic, Tamasic natures are not in Mahalakshmi. Mahalakshmi, absolutely very, 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 very soft nature. Very soft, tender feelings, tender walkings, tender words and tender looks, and everything is tender. Very soft nature is Mahalakshmi. Suddha Sattvika nature is Mahalakshmi's nature. Anybody worshipped Mahalakshmi, definitely that day at least you have to give up the tamasic nature, rasic nature, and we have to worship Lakshmi with the Suddha Sattvik nature only. Today Lakshmi Puja with the lotuses regularly. In India, people buy 108 lotuses and then 2 more lotus for Mantra Pushpam. Totally 110 or 116 lotuses people buy, and then with the Astotram, 108 names, they did puja to Mahalakshmi, and for some decorations, some flowers, and for Mantra Pushpam, there is the lotuses. Around Mahalakshmi, 8 Shaktis are worshipped Mahalakshmi. One is the Shankhanidhi, Padmanidhi, second one. Third one is the Mahapadmanidhi. Fourth one is the Kundam. Fifth one is the Mukhandam. And sixth one is the Neelam. Seventh one is the Misranidhi. Eighth one is the Kachapanidhi. These are 8 varieties of nidhis are worshipped Mahalakshmi. Mahalakshmi is very gloriful mother. All wealth in the entire universe with Mahalakshmi only. Lakshmi was with the glittering face, with the glittering beautiful Vaikuntham. Mahalakshmi dwells there. All the devatas worshipped Mahalakshmi for all kinds of wealths. Not only the financial wealth, every wealth is in Mahalakshmi hands only. And health wealth is in Mahalakshmi hand. Arogya Lakshmi, Health Lakshmi, Wealth Lakshmi, Shanti Lakshmi, Vidya Lakshmi, Education Lakshmi, Saubhagya Lakshmi, auspicious. All auspicious things have to be blessed by Lakshmi only. So in this many things are comes from Lakshmi Devi. When we see the lotus, where the lotus born? I spoke with you so many times also about it. Lotus born in a very dirt place, wet dirt place. This dirt is never going to be on the lotus flower. The fragrance was very, very nice. Any water, rain water, pouring rain comes, it never going to drench that leaf. It never get the wet. The leaf never get wet. How much rainfall comes also. It was very detached, beautiful. What is the message of this lotus flower and the lotus leaf? how many circumstances comes around yourself, don't get the influence, drop it down like the leaf. Padma patramivambasa. We have to drop down all the water drops. Don't attach with the problems, circumstances, challenges, or anything also. And then the flower, it comes from the dirt only. Dirt is not good smell, but the flower is very, very nice fragrance. So flower is smiling beautifully. So in any circumstances, any challenges, any problems, be like that lotus flower, fresh and always with smiling face. Be fresh always. Be with the smiling face.
రాజరాజేశ్వరి భువనేశ్వరి, రాజరాజేశ్వరి భువనేశ్వరి, జననీ శ్రీమన్నారాయణి. आदिनारायणि नारायणी जननी श्रीमन्नारायणी जननी श्रीमन्नारायणी.
If anybody was with the smiling face, definitely we are sure they are meditating every day. If anybody is always very serious and very angry face and very stingy mind, no meditation, they need more meditation. If people do meditation, that mind will open more and more. Always you are with smiling face only. If you never do meditation, you are so strict and you never allow anybody to talk with you also. That's the problem. So here lotus flower is smiling, beautiful smiling. When sunlight comes all the way from 9 crore miles to the Mother Earth, immediately lotus flower blossom and smiles very beautifully. So when naturally the knowledge of this divine consciousness comes, enter into your heart lotus is blossom like the lotus flower in the pond. We have to blossom. How many flowers we have to blossom? There are so many lotuses in our lotus garden. We have a special lotus garden within ourselves. Mooladhara lotus, Swadhisthana lotus. Mooladhara lotus is bright red in color. Swadhisthana lotus is orangish color, beautiful bright orangish color. Manipura chakra color, very, very golden, beautiful, mixing with the golden color, very beautiful color. And the Anahuta chakram, heart chakra flower it was an incredible flower, emerald colored greenish lotus. And then throat chakra, white color, beautiful lotus. Very special lotuses are within yourself. You need not go here and there and collect the lotuses. And you have a peculiar lotus in between your eyebrows, the 2 petal lotus with the ruby color. Biggest lotus, Yoga Padmam, Mahayoga Padmam, Mahapadmam Anamtaste Karana Ananda Vigrahe, Sarvabhuta Hite Mataha, who is the indweller of in everybody, the Yoga Mata. The yoga flower is the golden lotus. How Lakshmi dwells in the lotus. That's the beautiful glittering golden lotus. Then the petals are not 1, 2 petals, 1,000 petals. 1,000 means not 1 and 3 zeros. Infinite petals. That is the infinite lotus within yourself in the Sahasrara. Yogi, he did today puja. Yogi puja is to blossom all the flowers, to go to the Sahasrara chakra, offer the Sahasrara chakra to the Supreme Almighty. So that is the puja, yogic Padmam, Yoga Padmas, Padma Priye, Padmini Padmahaste, Padmalaye, Padmadalaya Takshi. Everything is Lakshmi's beautiful lotus. Her face is like a blossoming lotus. Lakshmi hands are like lotus hands. Lakshmi feet is very beautiful lotus feet. Everything is beautiful. Eyes are very beautiful. Face is beautiful. Smiling is beautiful. Mahalakshmi Mata is very, very beautiful. Mahalakshmi, where she dwells? In the heart of Bhagavan Vishnu. So Bhagavan Vishnu Sahita, including with Bhagavan Vishnu, you have to do the puja today to Mahalakshmi. Do the first puja with the Tulasi, Vishnu Bhagavan, 108 namas, Namo Narayana. And then Mahalakshmi puja with the Samputita Sri Sukta Mahalakshmi mantra. Saubhagya Rigvediya Mahamantram, you have to chant that mantra, do the puja to the Lakshmi Devi. So whatever you have offered the prasadams, sweet pongal, some things like that, you have to offer that. But what you need is more devotion. Wherever there is truth, Lakshmi dwells there. Wherever there is untruth, Lakshmi don't like to stay there. Wherever there is not cleanliness there, Lakshmi don't like to be there. Pure mind, Lakshmi like the pure mind. How to get the pure mind? When we do the puja, Lakshmi purifies all your mind, all the life. And Mahalakshmi dwells in your heart in the form of truth. Mahalakshmi dwells in your heart in the form of self-radiance. Mahalakshmi dwells in your heart in the form of Shakti, Icha Shakti, Jnana Shakti, Kriya Shakti. So, sweet children, today Varalakshmi Puja day, you have to do the Mahalakshmi Devi Puja and including with the Sriman Narayana Puja. Today, if any women comes to your home, give thambulam to the 8 women. Feel them, they are like 8 Lakshmis comes to our home. Today, Mahalakshmi Puja, morning puja, afternoon puja, evening puja, 3 times we have to do the Lakshmi Devi Puja. Early in the morning we have to do, before sunrising time we have to finish our puja. Afternoon, cooking all the prasadams, and then afternoon 12 o'clock Naivedyam you have to offer and do the puja. Evening Pradosha Puja. Evening puja is very important. 3 times puja is very, very important for Lakshmi Devi. So don't take off the kalasam today itself. So tomorrow, if Lakshmi Saturday, you can take the kalasam tomorrow. If Mahalakshmi wish, a ignorant person will become a very knowledgeable person in the next moment. If Mahalakshmi wish, a poor person on the roadside, next minute he become the king of the country, like that. That's the grace of Mahalakshmi. So let Mahalakshmi have to bless all of you on this auspicious day with abundance of Mahalakshmi's divine blessings, financial status, good health, peace, abundance of happiness in all of your family, people life and in your life. I love you so much. I love you like anything, children. Thank you. Om Shanti, Shanti, Shanti.